Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here and give you a quick review of these little piggy banks. They're plastic, so they're super durable. They're not breakable. My kids have been playing with them as well as putting their money in. As you can tell, they've already been using them. I love that it has a little cutout right here for the money. It's basically standard size. They have little twist knobs where you can open it to take the money out, and then you can also close it back up. Super easy, super child friendly, super durable. I love the texture of it. Comes in several different colors. Definitely recommend checking this one out.